Nagbibilang po sila at then nagbibigay na sila ng certificate kada munisipyo at city, tapos isusuma total yon. Those who belong to legislative district, isusuma total yon. Para makita ilan yung pumirma, dapat 3% yan ng registered voters ng legislative district. Tapos naka-table yan, isusuma total yung bottom line, must be 12% of the national total. Maybe you misheard or misunderstood the claim kasi they are counting. No, they are counting. They are counting. And it's in the election offices ng counting. Hindi pa verifying, but counting. Binibilang lang ilan yung entries doon. Okay? So, actually, if you can again interview the COMELEC chairman to get